So when we're multiplying polynomials, we have two methods we can go about it. I'm sure you have a favorite. One of them is the box method. So with the box method, we draw a box. In this case, it is a 2 by 2 because we do have a binomial times a binomial. So the first binomial you can see right here is x minus 3. I'm going to put it along the top, x minus 3. Make sure to include the minus because that does make that 3 negative. And then we have the second binomial, 2x plus 6, and I'm putting it along the side. Now to get each of the boxes and fill them in, we are multiplying. So 2x times x gives us that this box is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. 6 times x is 6x. And 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Okay? And then from here, what we're going to do is combine like terms. So we know that this is the only 2x squared, only x squared term. But we do have x's that we can combine. We have 6x and negative 6x, which actually add up to 0. So we're not going to have a middle term in this case. And then we have a constant, negative 18. Okay. Now, if we were doing double distribution, what we would do is we have our two binomials, x minus 3 and 2x plus 6. And what we would do is take the first term and distribute it to both terms in the second set of parentheses. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 6x is 6x. Now I'm going to go to the negative 3, the second term in the first binomial, and I'm going to multiply it to both terms in the second binomial. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. And the last step, just like in the box method, is that you have to combine any terms that are alike. Now 6x minus 6x is 0, so there are no more x's. So all we have left is 2x squared minus 18. Notice how we got the same answer no matter which method we used. Okay? So use whichever method you like, and if you have any further questions, ask your teacher.